Okay. Yep, we're going. Alright, guys. Scout afternoon. Me and Noah here.
What's good?
Hopefully, I can actually get this on YouTube and remember to turn the camera. Lisa didn't have a video last week because I forgot to turn the camera on when I actually started shooting that stuff. So, yeah.
He missed anyway.
No, I got one. I got one. Because all my subscribers right now are on my Snapchat and they all saw I got one. So, yeah. We're going to be looking for geese. And when we find some, we'll pull it up and then we'll show you what's popping. So, be back in a bit. Alright, everybody. Day 3 of scouting. I forgot to bring the camera yesterday, but we're at the same spot as yesterday. So, you guys can see it either way. This is what we're going to hunt for sure on Saturday. Today's Thursday, and when you're watching this. About 150 birds in this feed. Know the landowner really well. Family friend. I don't know if you guys will be able to see. Man, the birds over here. Oh, yeah, she's gonna be barking. Oh yeah, right next to the beans. Okay. So get up here. Ugh. Oh. Whoa, whoa. There we go. Oh.
There's a lot in there.
It's that cornfield out there. I don't know if you can see them out there.
Dude, they're coming through like rubbing the trees. Here's another flock. Look how low they just went.
I just dropped the camera. Son of a.
There's a lot of birds in there.
Look for a second here. Oh yeah.
Oh no, they were way down the other corner. They're getting up and coming closer.
Oh.
To the main group. See them?
Yeah.
See there?
Yep. See if I can I go like that? No, it ain't gonna work. So yeah, this is day 3 of scouting. We're gonna sit this on Saturday. So far we have 4 guys, so do others are all kind of getting up.
They're all getting from that corner and moving to that main group in front of the beans. They kind of stretch from the edge of the beans all the way out in the middle. So
Oh.
if you put layouts on the bean edge, you grip them up.
So yeah. Oh, sound pitch.
Oh, they flew really early tonight.
What's up, guys? Back with another one today. Got about 300 bird feed in here. Back at that, well, we're at that farm. I just, excuse me, since scouting. Got about 7 guys out here, so hopefully it'll be a good one today. I'll get back to you when it's more light out, and I'll show you the spread. And get back to you when we're starting to kill stuff. So see you there.
Those are cranes? I think those are cranes. I don't know. Oh, I better get down. Cranes. I think they are too. No, those are geese. Dropped it. Watch that one. You got a good mark? 4 more out there. No, yeah. Should I get down or?
That one's not moving. That one.
No, I dropped that one.
Yeah, let's grab them quick. Or at least
I'd get in the
one. There's 4 of them right there.
Yeah, I'd get in the blind.
Oh, they're coming in.
Shut his door.
Oh shit.
Shut his door, yeah.
We just lay him down, belly
Right
down.
behind you.
We get opportunities like that all the time.
Yeah, I'm not gonna lie, I felt good to finally pull the trigger for
Yeah?
the first time.
Oh, I'm too fat to do this kind of running.
There you go.
I don't know how you can get behind you like that.
Like this?
Last shot at it. Put it in front of it good, and I will.
Kill him!
Oh, come on.
Hit it again!
Get out of him again. I hit him.
I know you got that. That one's going down, watch it. That one's going down. I know you got it. Oh, it hit the tree. This one's swinging around here.
Oh, that one didn't go down very good, so I want to go get that.
Down, right here. Nick, down. Straight out.
Yeah.
God, stupid. Did we get well, one?
One hit the tree.
Okay, I think straight that way. I think he's straight this way. Oop. No, he's dead. Oh yeah, I saw him crash. Oops. I think he's.
Yeah, I'm just gonna try to stay like.
I thought he was like right here. Yeah. I hit him in the ass, and then you finished it off for me.
Yeah.
I'm a terrible shot. Where is he? Right there.
You're right. That ain't done. Not bad. You want him or?
I don't care.
Then they think another one went down over here somewhere? Like,
Oh, big flock right there.
get
Hey,
down,
get down.
guys!
I didn't bring my gun.
You want to shoot mine?
Huh?
You want to shoot mine? Here, take it. Kill the goose down. But keep it low though. But let them do their thing first. Only shoot when they leave.
Okay. All right, I see how it works.
Just, safety slides up
Yep.
and pull trigger. But like, let them do their thing first. Don't even look at them. And then when they shoot, then be ready to take the because they're gonna come right over you.
Yeah.
It's not funny how loud it is when you're sitting there, but like, they're really loud.
Yeah.
2 of them right over the top of us. On the other side.
I got one. Oh, you better get on your feet. Kind of slow on the gun, Nick.
Yeah, I know. God damn it.
Good film.
They were hanging there, hanging there. Yeah, I was like,
That's a wrap. That was good. That was a good first hunt for the year.
Oh, yeah, we're done.
Ready?
Yep.
Go!
I got one! Finally!
Come back. Coming back.
Yeah, you're single. Get that single.
Oh. It's gonna go down, but it's gonna be a long ways away. Yeah, I should have waited. It was still coming. It's still coming.
Shit.
Here. Expecting more to fall. I'll be honest, I pulled up and the one right in front of me didn't fall, so I smoked its ass.
Thomas got one.
Think I can hit those?
Hey, there's a cripple.
Here, back! Oh, one on the right, Tim. Coming back.
Are you just gonna shoot that?
I think we got 5.
I only dropped one.
I dropped one too.
Lucy's favorite part right now.
Yeah, it's got a broken wing. It ain't going nowhere.
No, I got one.
Get him! Get him! Yeah!
Noah,
What?
I got one.
Hell yeah.
Any fall on the back of the flock?
I don't know. I don't think so.
You guys didn't get any back there?
Come on.
I thought I saw some fall in front.
Yeah, I shot some in front.
Okay.
I only shot twice.
I only shot once, just the one that was right here. Oh no, I shot twice. I shot one going away.
Just a little.
I shot the one and I tried to get on another one right away.
I did shoot twice. I was gonna say I was gonna be good and only shoot once. I didn't. I was looking at I shot that one, it fell, and then the ones next to it fell, and I was like, okay. And then there was one flying away. I was like, that's pretty far, but I should probably still shoot at it. The worst part, Noah, is you hit that one pretty good.
Yeah, single?
Yeah, that was circling around. If you would just let him come a little closer, you could have
Good
knocked
job,
him
Lucy.
down.
I thought he was going to do
I mean, you could have hurt on him. You could have hard.
I watched my pellets hit him in the body.
Shot it. So.
I popped up. I was like, "There's
There were a
one
lot
directly
that
in front of
sailed
me
that way.
that didn't
Like, a
even
lot.
like,
So you think there's more out there?
and it just dropped like a
Not
sack of
like
shit.
get him
I
one, I
don't
think.
know.
I don't even know if they went down, but
I know
we
the first
hit
shot
a
was
lot.
behind.
The one I hit, I know he dropped because all I saw just him.
People were shooting
Okay,
at it.
because I didn't. I just the one I shot at went boop and fell right over. I was like, sweet. And then I stopped and then waited everybody else to shoot. And then there was one flying away.
I think the problem, a lot of us probably shot at the same birds.
I only shot 2 shells.
I don't.
Yeah,
I
only
don't
shot
know.
twice.
Like there was. I let 3 or 4 of them go by me.
Lucy, here.
Yeah, I let the left side of the flock go.
Is there another one down there?
Behind us. Behind us.
Birds?
Yeah.
Tim.
Got the con. Got the con. Let Tim get in his blind. Oh my god. Oh my god.
coming now?
They're straight in front.
Yeah. Oh, in front. I can see. Yeah.
Oh my god! Oh shit!
That was fucking nice shot.
Oh, I got that one twice. That's crippled. Oh no, it's dead.
That ain't good. I hit him twice. Fucking finally knocked him down.
I shot twice and I got one.
Going down. Right to the left. See it? It's on the other side now.
You can still go get that. That's.
Watch the single right here.
Oh, straight out. Don't shoot. Tim's in front.
I'm not gonna shoot.
Tim's in front. Tim's in front.
Or no. Brian, get him. Brian, get him.
Got him.
Mark, Mark.
Go down. Turn, 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 turn.
That one we're never gonna get. That's in the guy's fucking pond. Son. That's no good. No bueno.
It happens.
Don't shoot tungsten. I hit hard.
Yeah, I heard it hit the burner.
Here, hold.
That one that went over the trees though, like that, you can get that one.
I was gonna say, because it went straight through the
something
trees.
left.
In the cul-de-sac.
Yep. That was. I don't know. Son of a bitch, they were further than I thought they were.
Yeah.
When I popped up,
I only shot at two.
I shot. and it
I shot twice, I got
and I'm
one.
like, are you kidding me? I shot
I
again.
shot
And
one
then
here
it
at
fell, and I was
Gold,
like,
and then I shot at that one twice, and I hit it both times and it sailed.
Maybe it's the one.
I shot it twice and I think it was just dead, but the wings never came back up because I went down and bam, you're just fucking done.
See, this one's supposed to be good for some.
Or there's a group behind us.
Oh yeah. Too many geese? Is that what the problem was?
The single's coming in too.
Tim's still up front. Tim and Lucy are still up front.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wow,
He's got a lot to pick up. Yeah, I should go help him pick up. Christ.
Tim, you want help?
He likes the dog doing it. The four would work.
The four aren't working.
Those four coming in.
Come grab these 5. Oh, who shot that one? Or did the dog bring that one back?
I don't know.
Dog must have brought that one. Oh, someone dropped one that close?
No, I think he grabbed it and brought it back.
Oh, okay.
I think she grabbed
Went
it out
out
and grabbed
There's
one.
15 right there now.
Huh?
15 right there now.
Yeah. No, 16 because there's another one over there. You got 2 in one hand and 3 in another. I know there's one like right there.
You did better on that block.
They're coming.
Get him, Rex.
They both hit. It's gonna go down. They're both.
It's gonna hit that tree.
Land in the cart.
In the cart.
Boom.
I
Oh,
clicked.
good. It's in the
Here.
video.
Yeah. He's belly up.
Yeah. That's it.
That's it.
That's the limit.
Oh, such a bad day.
Really roughing it with a 7-man and an 8.
Here.
I freaking clicked on the last one.
What's that?
I clicked on the last one.
You not have a round in?
No, it didn't go off.
Shoulder to shoulder. Is that what you said? So I had to clear around. Re-rack around. The important people should be in the middle. I'll sit on the end.
You're looking for different things when you're hunting than I am. I'm just like, hey.
Alright guys, that was the weekend hunt. I know I didn't shoot the greatest, but at least I got 3 today, so I'm working on it. Next weekend is Southern Duck Opener, so it should be a good one. I usually around this time I do get a little better at shooting. I love shooting ducks more than geese than anything. But yeah, I'll catch you on the next one. See ya.